Hello, welcome to AC 3D CAD. Today we're going to do a mechanical drawing exercise based on this model. And this is our reference drawing. This area here is our front view, and this is the projection, which is the left view, and the bottom is the top view. First, we have to minimize this one and go to application menu, hover new, and click drawing. Select Acadiso 3D for metric and open. Select parallel. First, make sure we are on 3D working space. So click this arrow here and click 3D modeling. Another option is go up here and select 3D modeling. We'll work first on front view, but first we have to make sure we are parallel to the XY plane. So go to coordinates panel, select this biggest rectangle, and now we're on XY plane. So let's start from here. Let's start with line. L for line. Enter 90 units. I'm just gonna turn off the grid. Right click to repeat line, and from the center go down for 50 units. The distance from this circle, center of the circle, to the next circle is 200 based on the top view from here to here. So L for line again, enter, and just don't click, just hover to the right and enter 100, and from there enter 200. C for circle, or grab it from the ribbon, click the endpoint. From the command window, there is an option of diameter, or you can just type in D for the option, for the diameter option, and then enter and type in 20. Right click again to repeat circle, D for diameter, and 40. Right click again to repeat circle, and radius here is given for 30. Line again, L for line, and from this endpoint go to the circle and press shift, right click, select tangent, and we have to mirror this one. So MI for mirror, enter, select the object you want to mirror, and select the line, the mirror line, which is this one here, and select no. L again for line, bring down the crosshair to 100 units, and 90 on the other side or right side. type TR for trim. Click twice to enter. I'm just gonna erase that. I'm gonna mirror this area. So type MI for mirror, right click, select this one and specify center point or center line, and just bring this down. Select no. Just erase that one. And now we have to join the segments. So type J and select the whole thing. Now it's one segment. Now we have to draw this one here, which is this one. The thickness is 60. It's projected here. So line again, enter, and the distance from here to here is 160. So just hover, enter 80, bring back your line to 160 and bring it down to 60. I'm just gonna copy that one. Join. Enter, and O for offset. Enter the value of 20, as you can see here. Select the object you want to offset. L again for line. Repeat line. And join. J for join. Join this one. Now go to southwest view. And the thickness for this segment is, as you can see here, from the left view or right view is 20. So we have to extrude this one for 20. I'm just gonna use wireframe, and then this one, the thickness for this one is 60 from here. So extrude. Extrude for 60. I'm gonna try X-ray. There you go, that's better. And then what I'm gonna do is move these circles, right click, select move from center here to this center, and then extrude it for 30. This one here, it's 30. Let's go to wireframe. Select these circles. Extrude 430. Go to Rebond and select subtract command. Select the object you want to keep, right click, and then select the object you want to remove. Right click again to repeat subtract. There's the hole, but as you can see here, the hole is going from the drawing here. It goes all the way, so we have to create another circle. Grab the quadrant, select that circle. I'm just gonna go to 2D frame, 2D wireframe. Okay, grab that circle and extrude all the way. Copy this one, grab the center, and this destination point is here. Alright. Okay, so I'm gonna subtract these two objects from here. So go to subtract, select the objects you want to keep, right click, select the objects you want to remove, that one there and this one here. Let me check. So there you go. I'm gonna go to X-ray. So I'm gonna create this area here, this protruding space, and then which is 75 units. So line, L for line, and from here, from the midpoint, I'm gonna draw 75, and then to the right side is I'm just gonna leave it that way, and I'll hide this one so it will be easier for me to draw. So highlight the object, right click, go to isolate and hide object. So I'm just gonna do maybe polyline. So just hover and enter 33, bring it back, enter 66, enter, and go that way. Oops, so I'm just gonna copy that. Line again. Just copy that line. I'm just gonna check the distance again. I just want to make sure that 66 and this one is 75. Alright, I'm just gonna erase that and join. No, J for join, enter. Now I'm gonna do this the one going down. So I'm just gonna do polyline, bring it down for 110, 110, move the crosshair to the left, and that is 66, bring it up, and from here we have to create the circle. So grab the circle from the ribbon and then shift right click, select between 2 points. So between these 2 points, now the circle is centered, and enter D, which is it D? Yeah, D, which is 30. But then the distance here and here and here are equidistant, so we have to measure, since it's not given, so we have to measure the distance from this side to that side. So that's 18. So I'm gonna create a construction line, so L for line, and from the center bring it up for 18, and just move this circle. There you go. I'm just gonna erase that, delete, and C for circle again from the center, and I'm just gonna bring this so TR for trim, right click again, remove that one, remove this one, and remove that, delete that, and join again, join that one to create a whole segment. There you go. So what I'm gonna do is extrude this rectangle and this one to 20. So extrude this one 20, extrude this one for 20, and then I'm just gonna press pull this circle here. There you go. Now I'm gonna right click and select isolate, go down and end object isolation to bring back the hidden objects. There you go. Now we have to create this one here. So I think I have to bring back the line, or not really. Now create a construction line from this center and this center. Let me see how it looks. No, I have to move that one here. I shouldn't have erased it. There you go. All right. So to create this one, we have to start from line, and then draw 90 units, and then so this one is 90, this dimension, this one is the radius, the fillet, so this is 90, and then the length here is 100, so 100. So I'm just gonna join this one, J for join, extrude this one for 70 as shown here. Oh, before I do that, I have to create a circle again. which is the circle here is the same as this circle here, which has a 50 units diameter. So type in C for circle, right click, and shift right click, select geometric center, enter D for diameter, which is 50. I'm gonna go to top view, select circle again, no, first we have to move that one, so check the distance by typing DI from the quadrant to the side, which is 20. So we will do a construction line, so line from center and bring your crosshair up for 20. Move this circle from the quadrant to the end of the line. So this distance here is 20, this one is 20, and this one is 20. So circle again, and from the center, and TR for trim, right click and right click again to accept, delete that, trim that, and remove that one, and type J for join, select the objects, and now we can go to southwest isometric, extrude. The thickness of this object is 70, as you can see here, so extrude it for 70. Enter, and then just press pull to create the hole. Move this object over here, but it has to be centered, so click, shift right click between 2 points, so between the move, shift right click mid between 2 points, so this point here and the other point here. So I'm holding now the midpoint of the object and attach it to the midpoint of the line. I'll show you. There you go, now it's centered. Now we have to combine these shapes here by using union command. So go to solid, select union, and then select all the objects, and from there we have to do this fillet with a value of 10 as shown here on the top view. So fillet edge, and go to the command window, click radius, enter 10, and select the edge. Press shift, at the same time press your wheel on your mouse so you can turn it around, and click that one, enter. And the radius here and the fillet here is for this circle is 5, so select fillet edge again and click the radius, enter 5, select this edge here and this one here, enter. There you go. Where else? oh, this one here. So the side here is 10, this one is 10. I think the radius here is 20 from the front view. Okay, fillet edge again and go to radius, enter 20 and click this area here, this edge I mean, and shift and press your wheel and click that one, right click to enter, right click again to enter, to accept. There you go. So let me check if it's 20. Yeah, it's 20. And I guess the top part is 22. Yeah, so edge again. Yeah, this one here is 20, as you can see. Alright, fillet edge again, radius. Radius. And accept 20 by pressing enter. Select this edge here. Turn around. Okay, so I'm just gonna go to realistic, fillet edge again, radius. I'm just gonna enter maybe 1. I'm just gonna make this, select chain, right click again to repeat fillet, chain, enter, right click, fillet edge again, radius 1, enter, select chain, enter, right click, select chain again, enter, right click, chain, this one, enter, right click, chain, enter, okay, so I'm just gonna close this one. And type materials. I'm just gonna select reflective ivory. Come on. There you go. I think we're done. Thank you for watching. Please comment below for any question, and please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you. Bye bye.